Hello friends! Are you ready to become eco-superheroes and save the planet? We're going to learn all about sustainability, which is a big word that means taking care of our home, planet Earth, so that we can keep playing, learning, and having fun here for a long time. And trust me, being sustainable is not only important, but it's also super cool and fun. Let's put on our capes and get ready to go on an adventure of a lifetime, where we'll learn how to be kind to the earth, save energy, and have fun doing it. Are you curious about what sustainability means? It's kind of like taking care of your toys so they last a long time, but instead of toys, we're taking care of the earth so that it stays healthy and happy for a long time too. To be sustainable, we need to use things wisely and not waste them. That means turning off the lights when we leave a room, not leaving the tap running when we brush our teeth, and only taking the food we can eat so we don't waste it. Recycling is another way to be sustainable. It means taking things we don't need anymore, like empty plastic bottles or old newspapers, and turning them into something new instead of throwing them away. That way, we can save resources and help the planet. Recycling is an important way to help take care of our planet. By recycling things instead of throwing them away, we can help reduce the amount of trash that ends up in landfills and protect our environment for future generations. Did you know that we can also use nature to make energy? The sun, wind, and water can all help us make electricity without hurting the planet. Plants and trees are really important for sustainability too. They help make oxygen for us to breathe, and they clean the air. It's important to take care of them and not hurt them. We can also be sustainable by taking care of animals. That means not littering or polluting their homes, like the ocean or the forest. We want them to be happy and healthy, just like us. Eating food that is grown locally and in season is also a way to be sustainable. That way, we don't have to use a lot of energy to transport it from far away. And it's also yummy and fresh. Bringing our own bags to the grocery store instead of using plastic bags that can take a long time to break down is another way to be sustainable. Plus, we can pick out our own favorite bags and make them a part of our style. Did you know we can also use things over and over again? That means we can use a water bottle instead of buying a new one every time we're thirsty. We can also pass on toys and clothes to others who can use them when we're done with them. Sometimes, being sustainable can be really fun too. We can plant a garden and watch our own fruits and veggies grow, or ride our bikes instead of driving a car. It's like being an explorer and discovering new things. It's important to remember that even though we're little, we can still make a big difference by being sustainable and taking care of the planet. It's like being a superhero, but instead of saving the day, we're saving the earth. When we go to the store and want to buy something, we can look at the label on the package to see if it's sustainable or not. Here are some things we can look for. Recyclable. If the package says recyclable, it means that we can put it in the recycling bin when we're done with it and it can be turned into something new. Compostable. Some packages are made from materials that can be composted, which means they can break down into soil and help plants grow. Energy efficient. If we want to buy something that uses electricity, like a light bulb or a TV, we can look for ones that are energy efficient. That means they use less electricity and are better for the planet. Natural. Some products are made from things that come from nature, like cotton or wood. These can be better for the planet than things that are made from chemicals. Local. If we want to buy food, we can look for things that are grown locally. That means they don't have to travel far to get to us, which saves energy and is better for the planet. If we all work together, we can make the world a better place for ourselves and for future generations to come. We can inspire our friends and family to be sustainable too, and spread the word about how cool it is to take care of the earth. Let's put on our thinking caps and come up with even more ways to be sustainable. Maybe we can make art with recycled materials or turn off the lights when we're not using them. The possibilities are endless. The future looks bright for sustainability. Lots of people are working together to make sure that we can keep living on our planet for a long time. Remember, sustainability is all about taking care of the planet we live on and making sure it stays healthy and happy. It's like taking care of a pet or a plant, but on a bigger scale. And just like pets and plants make us happy, a healthy earth can make us happy too.